This new bid structure and optimization strategy is going to impact whether your Facebook ads run or are paused. Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham Zawilinski, and this week on Hard Facts, we're going to talk about how a change coming to Facebook is going to impact whether your campaigns continue to run or are automatically paused based on your optimizations and bid structure. So let's get into it. We're talking about ThruPlay ad optimization. You've likely heard and seen this in the past 6 to 12 months, as in September of 2018, Facebook rolled out this optimization opportunity. What it does is it counts video views to completion or a 15-second watch time. But now what Facebook is doing is changing your opportunities for optimization. So what you need to know is as of July 31st, 2019, Facebook will automatically be pausing any campaigns that are set to a 10-second optimization strategy. So that means if you have that as your set optimization strategy, they will not run on August 1st. Now this is important because it is a fairly popular way in which to optimize your campaigns. Now we're moving to two default options: ThruPlay, which will actually be the default, or 2-second video views. So this is going to impact how you set up your campaigns and how you edit your campaigns. So this is going to impact 3 specific ad types: single videos, slideshows, and instant experience ads. This is important because, again, we need to go in and edit our current campaigns. You're going to do this as if you were to optimize and edit any of your bid structures in existing ads. When you set up a brand new campaign, you're going to do this at the ad group level. Like I mentioned previously, ThruPlay is going to be the default here, but you can change it to 2-second continuous views. The other thing you're going to want to determine is how you are going to be billed. You do have 2 options here. One is ThruPlay, video views, or the other is impressions. So 2 choices in 2 different sections. Now there is going to be one place in which ThruPlays are not the rule, and this is going to be your retargeting option for your custom audience campaigns. Here you are not going to be able to use ThruPlays as a metric because it is a mix of paid ads and organic. Therefore, it does not exist in this realm. So here you're still going to pick from your 2-second or your 10-second options. So you really shouldn't have any work to do in making sure that you're optimizing or changing your optimization for your retargeting ads for video. However, if you don't have a campaign set up for that, I highly recommend you have a custom audience campaign retargeting individuals who have previously engaged with the video. It is a great way to segment engagement, show an additional message, and increase the call to action to drive action from individuals looking at your content. But now let's talk about how we engage, where people are looking, and what they're experiencing when it comes to absorbing your content. So one thing in every strategy we have is reporting, and reporting is going to change just ever so slightly here. Although we only have 2 optimization options, which is 2-second continuous video views and ThruPlays, you are going to have 4 metrics you can still look at within your video engagement reporting section. So when you head over to Facebook, take a look at the reports, you're going to click video engagement. Here you're going to see an expanded section. That area is going to show you these 4 points. It is going to show you 2-second continuous video views, 3-second video views, 10-second video views, and ThruPlays. So here's where you're going to be able to measure engagement, different opportunities to maybe change your optimization and bid structures, as well as look at where any potential fallout happens. There is a big difference between 10-second, 15, and ThruPlays. Using this information to change your strategy will give you more insight to what your next move should be. Whether you're watching this video before or after the change to optimization within Facebook, our platforms, tools, and technologies are ever evolving. So if you have a question on how to implement a strategy that's going to best fulfill your goal, feel free to send me a message, chat, email, or give me a call. I love talking shop and would love to help you hit your goals this year.